What's up everybody, I'm Danny Sabra, and for the past 2 years I've been dying to come outside and paint in the snow. Today it's finally a perfect day to do it, so we're gonna get it done. So I was really attracted to this scene of the different textures of the buildings and the metal posts hanging up and the way that the light was playing across the snow and the animal footprints, and I've really been inspired to try and paint out in winter scenes based off of being inspired by such great plein air painters such as Claude Monet and Alfred Sisley, who, unlike Monet, who often painted looking outside of a window, Alfred Sisley would actually go out into the snow and paint in the elements. And I find freshly fallen snow and just the wintertime in general to kind of be such a magical and mysterious time, and it was really exhilarating and fun to try something new and to spend time outdoors, which is really my favorite part of painting outside. And it was really a lot of fun, and I'm glad that I got to do this painting. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, please share with a friend. I'm trying to share my creativity with as many people as possible on my YouTube channel. Also, subscribe to the channel below if you haven't done that. Remember, you have a voice that matters. Stay creative, and I'll see you next time.